Hello students, I am Ramanora from SA International. Dear students, we are doing economics of class 12 and today we are starting macroeconomics. In that second unit, money and banking. In that we are starting a concept of money. In a very simple terms, we can say that money is what money does. This definition you will even find in the books, but my dear students, you will not get the marks in this definition, and this definition does not clear anything also. So it's better, I'll advise you, always write the definition of these things with the help of functions. For example, if I want to define money, so we can say that money is a system which serves as a medium of exchange. Money is a system which serves as a medium of exchange, measure of value, standard for deferred payments, store of value, and transfer of value. Dear students, if you write the definition till here only, that is money is a system which serves as a medium of exchange, then also you will be getting the full marks for your definition, because this is the most important function of money, that is medium of exchange. Other than that, these are also other functions like measure of value, standard for deferred payments, store of value, and transfer of value. These are the functions of money. With the help of this, we have made the definition of it. The next topic is evolution of money. Okay students, when we talk about evolution of money, we want to say that how money evolved. In the initial stages, when there was a barter system of exchange, at the time of barter system of exchange, when goods were exchanged for goods only. The barter system exchange, goods were exchanged for goods. Then there was an age of coin, and in that coinage, first of all there was a gold and silver coins, and in the later stages we can say that there was a alloy coins. Okay students, moving forward, we can say that there was a currency, coins and paper notes, and right now we are talking about the money in the form of plastic, or we can say that e-money, or we can say that digital money. So to revise this evolution of money, just keep it in your mind. We want to know that how slowly and gradually money evolved. Money came into existence. So in the initial stages, as we told you, there was a barter system of exchange where goods were exchanged for goods. Slowly and gradually there was an age of coin. So initially gold and silver coins were there, and then the alloy coins were there. Then there was a currency, and after it, if we will talk about the present scenario, then right now the time of digital money is going on, like Paytm, like UPI, like Airtel wallet, or many other way of using or transferring or in the medium of exchange. We are using the money in the form of digital, or we can say that in the form of plastic, debit card, credit card, and all. Moving towards the next topic, that is barter system of exchange. In this topic, we have already done the definition. We can say that it is a system of exchange where goods are exchanged for goods. It is a system of exchange in which goods are exchanged for goods. It works under C to C economy. That means commodity to commodity economy. We are saying that this system works under the C to C economy, means it works under the commodity to commodity economy. And this is the barter system of exchange. My dear students, there are many drawbacks of barter system of exchange, but this heading could also be understood by the heading of emergence of money, or at the last we can say that functions of money. Let me explain you. In your books they have only mentioned about the drawbacks of barter system of exchange. But my dear students, in the exams many of the times, or I'll say that 80% of the times, they ask about the functions of money. Even one function they can ask for 3 to 4 marks. So you should be very much prepared about the functions of money. But preparing drawbacks and again preparing functions is the hectic work, or this is the work which is multiplying the things. So therefore we have a trick of starting the things with the drawback of barter system of exchange, and while doing it there is a trick to do the emergence of money or the functions of money. We start with the first drawback, that is called as double coincidence of wants. Okay students, many of the teachers have different concepts of double coincidence of wants, or I'll not say concept, there is a different definition they use for the double coincidence of wants, and many of the time it gets complicated. The things we required is needed by each other, the other person, and the things which other have is needed by us, and it becomes very complex and we are not able to understand the meaning of it. So better I'll give you the best and the easiest definition of it. We can say that double coincidence of wants is a situation when goods in possession by two different individuals are needed by each other. What we said, it is a situation when goods in possession by two different individuals are needed by each other for the satisfaction of wants. Now you can explain it very easily. Means if you require a shoes and you have a wheat in surplus, then the other person should have the wheat and they require shoes. Means it should go vice versa. By this way you will be able to exchange whatever you have in surplus with that. Goods in possession by two different individuals are needed by each other for the satisfaction of wants. So that is your double coincidence of wants. You can say that because of this, exchange remains limited. Why exchange will be limited? Because people will do the transaction only for subsistence. They will not do the transaction for profit maximization. In their mind there will be a conventional outlook of subsistence oriented, not the profit maximization oriented. Fine. Now you can say that, however, with the evolution of money, with the evolution of money, the act of sale and purchase separated. We said with the evolution of money, जैसे ही money आया बच्चों, the act of sale and purchase is separated. Now there is a single coincidence of wants. What do you mean by that? It means that now you need to search a person who have shoes in surplus, and you can exchange it with the help of money. So it means that there is a single coincidence of wants. You have separated the act of sale and purchase, and this happens only with the evolution of money, you can say that, however, with the evolution of money, the act of sale and purchase separated, and money evolved as a medium of exchange. Now, this is the function we were talking about. Now, exchange is unlimited. By chance, or it can happen, most of the chances of functions are there. So by chance, if they are asking about the function of money, medium of exchange, so explain medium of exchange for 3 marks, you will use the trick here. What you will say? First of all, you will say that money evolved as a medium of exchange and it separated the act of sale and purchase. Because of the medium of exchange function of money, the exchange becomes unlimited and there is increase in the level of output and nature of output. Before, when the barter system of exchange prevailed, there was a problem of double coincidence of wants. In this, goods in possession by two different individuals are needed by each other, which was a very difficult task, and this became the drawback at that point of time in the barter system of exchange. So what you have done? First of all, you have explained the function, that is medium of exchange, and then you again move to the problem, that is the drawback of double coincidence of wants. But if they are asking the drawback, then the first thing you are supposed to explain is double coincidence of wants, and in the later part of the explanation you can explain beautifully that how money came and the existence of money work as a medium of exchange. So my dear students, that trick I was talking you about, that we can together do this concept, that is drawback of barter system of exchange, emergence of money, and the functions of money. In the coming lectures, in the coming videos, you will be able to get about the other drawbacks of barter system of exchange, or we can say that other functions of money. Thank you.